This is my first unboxing video, and this is I think Russian company or a China company. It's Fly. I got in market. It's cost 5,000 here, and this phone is about quad core. This OS is Android 6.0, and network is sorry, display is 5.0 inch. Network is 4G LTE. The battery capacity is about 5,000 2500 mAh, and CPU is quad for 1 gigahertz. The number is it's about 2 GB and 16 GB. The camera is about 8 megapixel rear and 5 megapixel. Let's open it, and before the starting video, let's get started. Since I said you already unboxed because it's working or not. Okay, this is the device. Wait, I not have any cameraman subscribe that. Okay, this is the device. It's working and it's a pretty good device, and no fingerprint sensor like that. It's looking like an Apple based, and it's a like looks good inside. The USB bank, USB micro USB cable, and this charger. It's around. Uh, Wait, I can't unbox because I not have any tripod. This is two on one amplifier. Sorry, it's on an amps. So it's fly, and this is the back cover of the thing. Headphone and screen guard. And so something is Skype. It's written in Russian. I think this is Russian mobile. Okay, and since card slowed. Okay, let's check the mobile. Taking the mobile and wrapping that thing. Okay, I'm turning off that thing. Okay, this device I'm taking from Microsoft Lumia 435. Since I was using the 4 years old, I can't take this phone as in HD, so this is a 480p. And this phone has 2 megapixel. Now I was shooting on this phone. It's coming. Something is booting up. I can't understand what's in now. Like, okay, it's booted up. It's working. Everything. Okay. Uh, after I will be again the new video about it. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like this video. Please give thumbs up and share your videos with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. I have less subscribers, so please subscribe. Okay, bye, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Okay, Vande Mataram, Jai Hind, peace, and goodbye.